Albania. I'd had some doubts about this country before I visited it in 2020. No, about nature I didn't have any hesitations, but they were about safety. But you know, all was great, especially local people. They are extremely friendly and open-hearted. So I come there with my wife, grab a car, check in the hotel room, take some rest and finally go to film the wild. Albania is a simple country and you can drive everywhere and easily find a free camping. I like to sleep in the open air and I'm using this opportunity always when I can. The views are great. We do filming by drone, some relaxes by Blackmagic Cinema Camera, filming hikes on Panasonic GH5, we shoot twisty roads by GoPro, fix it on the car's roof and just having a lot of fun. We eat fresh fruits they achieve there, cook dinner on a gas stove, swim in crystal lakes, all is great. Hikes in Albania are definitely a must visit. Real wild nature with astonishing landscapes. Especially breathtaking is that unique canyon with very narrow walls. It was once in a lifetime experience. So guys, if you have an opportunity to visit Albania, don't waste it, you will be definitely satisfied. Please subscribe to our 4K Relaxation channel, there you can find all videos from Albania and from many other countries. It was Alex, thanks, bye!